Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to set up a Google Authenticator for a Gmail. First of all, let me apologize for making a video like this instead of screen recording because Google Authenticator blocks out screen recordings. So we're going to make the best out of this. Now first I want you to head over to settings, and what we're going to do, we're going to be setting up a two-factor authentication for our email. So scroll all the way down until you see Google. So click on Google, and now click here on your email address, then click on Google account. Okay, so come here, slide to the left, click on security, and then I want you to scroll down until you see two-step verification. And we need to first turn this on. Okay, so I clicked on two-factor authentication, and then we need to put in our screen lock. There we go. So now we have basically verified that it is us. Okay, you can come here and choose the different options. So here I'll choose Authenticator. So we'll add an Authenticator app. And here I'll click on Set Up Authenticator. Okay, and now all we need to do is scan a QR code. So I'll go to my other phone right here, and then I'll open up Google Authenticator. Come here at the bottom right, click on the plus icon, click on scan a QR code. Okay, then we're scanning that. And there you go. As you can see, we have set up Google Authenticator for Gmail. Now, what I need you to do is come here, click on next, and then enter the 6-digit code that you see on the app. So the code that I see right now, let me show you, 375161. Okay, so just type that in. Okay, so as you can see, it has actually changed on the app because it is time-based. So keep changing. I'll click on verify. There we go. And Authenticator app has been set up for my Gmail. It's really that easy and simple.